Привіт. I'm Chuck Olenek, a Ukrainian-American baptized with the name Yaroslav. Today is June 20th, 2026, year 5, day 117 of the war in Ukraine, or day 1578, or, if you want to go back to when this really started, day 4503, since Russia seized Crimea. Okay, I collect pictures, of the war. And on June 18th, there was a big boom in Russia at a number of the oil refineries. But there was one really cool picture that came out of it. The part that gives me particular joy is that it was a Russian missile that blew the lid off the storage tank. Since then, the internet's been flooded with memes using that picture, so I thought I would share them. Until the war ends. Slava Ukraine!